Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to explain the difference between access and degrees of freedom DOF in the Robotic World Dictionary. First of all, so there are 6 degrees of freedom in this world, and this is the maximum number, which means the movability of an object and it's how it's able to move in space. And in space we have the maximum number of 6 degrees of freedom. And these motions are side to side, up and down, forward and backward. And then we have this is the first 3, and the next 3 is pitch, roll and yaw. However, the axis term refers to the X, Y, and Z axis. And this has to do with the sensor's sensitivity. So a one-axis sensor most likely goes up and down on a y-axis, or side to side on the x-axis. So basically the sensitivity of a sensor. And a 3-axis sensor will track on all 3 axes. So the more axes you have, the better the movement of the robotic arm, supposedly. And a sensor form that is said to have 9, 10 or 12 axes indicates that it tracks multiple data points along the X and Y and Z axis. And this number does not have a limit, and it can be as high as the developer wants as the accuracy. And the more numbers of axes are, the more accuracy is it. So let's look at this robotic arm. These are the first 3 degrees of freedom. As we can see, the base, rotation, reach and elevation, which is considered rotation, up and down, and backward and forward motion for the head. And the robotic arm's wrist is capable of having 3 degrees of freedom. As we can see, roll, pitch and yaw. So the normal 3 degrees of freedom in the base, the base, rotation, elevation and reach. And however, the wrist, as we can see, has only 2 degrees of freedom. So this is a total of 5 degrees of freedom, and they market it as a 6 axis robotic arm, which is relating, as you know, to the sensitivity. And however, here the wrist has 2 degrees of freedom. As you can see, we have a roll here and then independent roll there, and pitch. And yeah, this is it. This was a short video, and I got these pictures from Mechanisms and Mechanical Devices book by Neil and Nicholas. And I hope you found this video helpful. I am not sponsored by KUKA, but I really love their engineering and products. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.